Ladies and gentlemen, the American Jury and Bulldog Nation, what I'm about ready to tell you is an example how big law owns the politicians to your detriment. We get told all the time that, and so many people say the word Democratic Republic to make it look like that they're smart. We're not a democracy. We're a Democratic Republic. Well, two things about that. First off, we began as a Democratic Republic. And we still have some semblance of a Democratic Republic in the sense that we elect leaders who are supposed to look out for our interests. However, it got hijacked. And the reason why it got hijacked is the people that we elect to represent our interests don't represent our interests because of the influence of big money, and they represent those interests. So our Democratic Republic's been hijacked. And this issue is Exhibit A, and it's this. Health insurance companies. You have health insurance, I have health insurance, people have health insurance, Medicare, Medicaid, private health insurance, whatever, okay? Those health insurance companies, as you know, affects everybody, has to be approved. You got to get approved, all right, before you have a certain procedure. Now, we hear these horror stories all the time where they don't approve a procedure and somebody dies. They don't approve cancer treatment. They don't approve this. And they make you go through a bunch of administrative appeals. Now, here is the kicker. Congress, Democrats and Republicans, have enacted a law. It's called ERISA. And under that law, are you ready for this? This is the punchline of this whole freaking video. They cannot be sued for damages as a result of their denial. The only thing that a lawsuit can do is to force them to pay for a procedure. And if you win, you can get attorney fees. But guess what? What happens by then? How long does that process take? You're already dead. If our Congress would allow us to sue health insurance companies and Medicare and Medicaid for inappropriate denial, it would change everything. Here's how insurance companies make so much money. They get premiums like clockwork. They can delay, defend, and deny everything else. Claims. They can push claims. So they can have a control when money comes in and when money goes out. When Warren Buffett bought Geico, he publicly said this. This is a great business. You can take premiums and defer claims. And that's what they do. Medical Protective has done this to the Durrani victims. United Healthcare does it to everybody. Thus, Luigi Mangione had enough and blew the president away. I'm telling you, folks, did you know this? Do you realize this? You cannot sue for damages a health insurance company who denies you claims unlawfully. It's outrageous. It's the Bulldog. Every dog has their day. Email me and text me if I can help you.